Hi, my name is Don Briggs and I am a member of the team at Breadboard Electronics, and this is project number 18, a gated 555 timer based on our starter kit. Now the first circuit is very similar to what we've seen in the previous project, except we have another capacitor C3, and we've also added a diode like this diode here. Not really necessary for a prototype circuit, but one can argue that it should actually be there in a live circuit. Now let me just turn these on, then you can see what's going on. Again, the first circuit, it's just flashing away, carry on like that. You could change VR1 to change the rate, but the second circuit at the bottom is two almost identical circuits. The difference is that the input of pin 4 on the second circuit is the output, i.e. pin 3 on the first circuit, where more often than not pin 4 and pin 8 are actually joined together like they are up here and here, but on here pin 4 is actually the output. So the first astable is triggering the second astable, and you can have lots of fun with things like this. Leave it up to the imagination really. The idea is to build this circuit, play with it, have a bit of fun. The breadboard representation of this circuit, as you can see, it's not too busy, there isn't much on there. The 555 needs a little bit of care when you're wiring it up, of course, but generally it's quite a simple little thing to work with. Now we'll run this, and as you can see from the oscilloscope at the bottom, it's just one is moving faster than the other, but we could change the speed of this one, but the other one stays pretty much the same, and we can do something with this one as well probably. It must have done something, spin it up slightly. So an ideal little circuit. I know you probably don't have two breadboards to play with, but you should be able to get both of these on one breadboard. Yeah, one of the larger breadboards, that is, no problem at all. That's it for project 18. Thank you for watching.
Hi, this is project 18, gated 555 timer. Basically what we have here, we have two separate timer circuits. There's your 555 timer there and your timer here, and if you look, even the layout is very similar. I've even used the same colour wires. Now these trimmers that I put in here, they're not in the starter kit, but the reason I'm using them now is because I can turn them easier in the videos with this screwdriver. They basically do exactly the same job as the ones that are in the starter kit. In fact, the ones in the kit are more variable than these are. They take a lot more turns, but for demonstration purposes we have a 10k one there and a 10k one there. But I can actually get the screwdriver in to change it. Now this lead here comes from the output of this timer on pin 3 and goes into pin 4 as an input onto our second circuit. So basically this circuit drives that circuit, and at the moment the LEDs are flashing in sync, but if I change the value of this, you'll see that the one on the left is starting to speed up until it gets to a point where you can almost not see it flashing. Now we have that one flashing. Now if I change this one, I can change the speed of the second one, but the second one will never go faster than the first one. So if you wanted to create some kind of random flashing lights for something, This is ideal because one thing trigger another, which makes it look a bit more random elsewhere. That's the end of project 18. Thank you for watching.